Hey, quickly before we get into the video, I quickly wanted to share some news about the Signal/Premium group we have. Because over the last couple of weeks, going into the summer, but also the rest of the year, we have started drawing up some plans for spot accumulation of coins like Bitcoin, XRP, but also Solana. So for example, how we started was buying Bitcoin. We actually had limits right here from 100,000 into 98,000. Went in big, are making a lot of profit right now. So if you're interested in spot accumulation plans like that, outside of future signals, consider joining. But that's it for now. Just wanted to let you know about that. And now let's get into the video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video right here on Pepe. Wanted to do a full video on this. I mean, it's not necessarily that momentous at this point of time. There's definitely some positive things I'm going to say. Regarding the price action and regarding the key levels that we've hit for Pepe. But just wanted to keep you updated, right? I know that there's quite a significant portion of the community that's interested in Pepe and on the higher time frames and just in general to trade. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on this. So let's get right into it. Now, the markets overall, talking about some fundamentals, have been pretty good. Pepe specifically and meme coins have been lacking, right? I mean, if you take a look at Pepe, but if you take a look at across the board, Nero, with Bonk, Floki, like they've put in decent bottoms, and that's also the story for Pepe. But I'm not fully convinced yet that they're going to rally. And I also think that maybe one further move down is a possibility, right? Because what you can see is that so far, with all the bearish pressure, and with all the and with all the negative fundamentals, we dropped down all the way to the bottom of the momentous move we had the 8th of May. Now this is like quite a lot of coins dropped down that much, but strong ones did not, right? So that's an indication that meme coins as a whole are not the strongest narrative, which is logical, I'd say. In these risky fundamental circumstances, but this is a very strong support, right? Because we filled the entire imbalance, and the imbalance and the strong move started from a very important area as well, and that's this area right here between 9,000. Hopefully you know what I mean. It's 0.9 cents, right? So 0.009, 0.9 cents, and 0.8 cents. Very strong high time frame support level. So we found support there right now, also at the bottom of that fair value gap, and we actually got quite a lot of volume. Not only when we hit that bottom, which is a sign that there's quite a lot of strength coming from buyers at that bottom, but no, we also for the first time since I cannot even see when. I think the beginning of May, but we also for the first time got a high volume bullish bar, right? We've had some high volume bottoms before, but then there never was any follow up. So now there is follow up, right? And that's obviously has to do with Bitcoin, has to do with fundamentals as well. But that follow up is good to see. So that's that more so creates a feeling in me that this can be a bottom. Now, what I would like to see at a bottom normally is that we have some sort of a maybe some sort of a 3 drive pattern where the volume actually decreases, which is not the case, or that we have a bullish divergence. So that in combination with the fundamentals that are still inherently quite risky makes me say, and summer markets by the way as well, but that makes me say that maybe we can spike down once more, create a bearish divergence, and then have the real bottom and consolidate. But I do think that in general, this area right here, let's say around 0.85 cents, so that's 0.0085, I do think this is going to be the bottom, at least for now, right? I mean, the fundamentals are obviously one of the main catalysts for crypto and also for Pepe. So then I'm talking about, worldwide stability and worldwide developments. But as it stands right now, I would actually say that not even a drop down this low is to be expected. I would say the level right here towards 0.9 cents is going to hold as support, and that we can find stability, and therefore also a little bit of a move up into 1.1, 1.15 cents, and then stability is most likely. So yeah, short term I'm actually slightly bullish here on Pepe. Medium term I'm a little bit more neutral, and then long term or late medium term I do still expect a spike down lower. But that is something I'll keep you updated on. For now I think that's everything you need to know regarding Pepe. So hopefully it helps. But for now that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.